So hello everyone, in this video we'll be understanding how you can add images practically. So for adding images in HTML, it is very simple. You just have to use the image tag which we have already discussed in the theory chapter. So for doing that, you just have to go inside your HTML page. So I have already prepared this page so to not waste the time and to save the time. So all of the things are basic. I've just written this heading, which is adding images, which you can see that it is executed here. If I want to add one image, I just have to use the image tag. And inside that, I have to specify some attributes. Attributes are the additional information which we provide to a tag, which helps in executing that tag. For example, if I'm adding any image tag, so the image tag will definitely ask me that what kind of or what image do I have to add. So for specifying that information, I can specify src attribute in here. In here, I can simply write the image name or image path. Uh, the image name in my case is, let me just show you what image is. That is Tekken 7. I've saved it inside the same folder where I have saved this HTML file. So that's why I can just only write the name. If it is saved somewhere else, so you can specify the complete path and then this name of the image and then the extension of that file. So it can be JPG, PNG, or anything it can be. And after that, there is one alt attribute we specify in the case of if the image is not there, then this alt attribute will be executed. For example, if I write Takin 7 image was here. So for example, I wrote this one. If this image is somehow deleted or like if I change the extension and it is not executing that image or it isn't able to find that image, then it will show this alt attribute text. So this is an alternative text that executes whenever the image is not available. So if I just execute it or if I just reload the page, so you can see that it is saying Tekken 7 image was there, means it is not able to find this image because the name is not Tekken. The Tekken 7 is there. So that I deliberately did that to show you this alt attribute. So if I write 7 here, then it will be executing that image. Let me just refresh that and show you how. So you can see that it is showing this image, which is right now very big. I can like decrease the size of that by adding some more attributes, which are height and width. I can specify height after the alt attributes double quote. After that, I have specified the other attribute, which is height, and then after that I specified equal, and in double quotes I can specify the width in pixels, because pixels are the units which measures the sizes of the elements inside the HTML. So I can write in percentage as well, but we'll be talking about that later. So let's write some size which is 300 pixel, and I can specify the width. So width is larger, so I can specify 500 pixel. I think that will be good for this. So similarly, I can specify the width. I can specify anywhere, like the order doesn't matter in this. So you can specify alt before the src and after the height or anywhere, but you need to specify that if you want to execute that thing, or you need to use that special attribute. So you can see that now the size of the image is decreased because I specified the image height and width. So this is how you add images and like specify the height and width. Also, you can add the online image link if you want. For example, if I want to add, for example, let me just search for Iron Man. If I search for images, if I go for images, and if I want to show any image in place of that Taken 7, I can grab this image as well. Let me just reload it first. Okay, now I can right click on that and I can copy the image link by clicking on this, and instead of specifying the path of the image, I can specify that link which is just copied just now. So So now you can see that this image will be visible there. So this is the other way you can specify the images if you have internet. So you can see that the image is there. I haven't downloaded it or anything, but I've specified the image with the online URL. So this image will only be like executed when you have internet. So you cannot run this image if your internet goes off. So this is one drawback of online linking the image. So that's why we use the local image path for like it will, the local image path will always be there whether the internet is there or not. And similarly, I can change this alt text if I want. So this is how we do. And I can also specify the link in here. Like if I want to add some link, right now there is no link in here. If I click on this, nothing happens. If I want to specify any link of any website, so I can specify that as well. Like I want to click on this image and I want to show some trailer of like in YouTube or something. So I can specify the link of that trailer as well. So if I go to YouTube and just I want to search for a Iron Man trailer, or for example, for just now I can use this because internet is slow a little bit. So you can just specify a tag before the image, just like we did in heading while we were learning a tag. So inside a tag I can specify the link inside the href. The link can be of any website. Okay, so if I click on this image now, then the link which is in a tag, like right now it is of YouTube. So if I click on this image now, then the YouTube will be there, or I'll be gone into YouTube. So let me just refresh the page again, and if I click on this now, so it will open the YouTube inside the same tab. It is opening because I haven't specified the target attribute to show it in another tab. I can also specify that if I want. So I can specify blank in here. Let me just go back. Go back. Okay, now if I refresh the page and click on the image, then you can see it is coming in another tab. So this we have already learned, so no need to worry about this. Also you can specify the local like file name that will also be like having the same behavior just like this YouTube link. So you can also do that. This is how you can add a link to images and specify the other attributes in images. And make sure you don't close this image tag because it is an empty tag. You don't have to close this. So this is all about images. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet in the another one.